In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress, 2025, step by step. We'll start by setting up your Amazon seller account inside Seller Central. Choose the plan that fits your stage, individual if you're testing with low volume, professional if you're ready to scale. Complete the identity and bank verification carefully, mismatch details slow approvals. Starting on the individual plan keeps upfront costs low while you validate demand. Next comes the most important part. Product research. Look for unbranded lightweight items without electronics or batteries and make sure they aren't restricted on Amazon. Aim for products with fast shipping options. Home and kitchen, phone accessories, pet supplies, and fitness accessories are great places to start. Steer clear of branded or counterfeit items. Those can lead to instant account issues. Now find a reliable AliExpress supplier. Prioritize stores with a rating of 4.7 or higher, at least a few hundred orders on the listing, and fast options like AliExpress standard shipping or a local warehouse. Send a quick message asking if they can ship without invoices or platform branding. A prompt, clear yes and good communication are strong green flags. Create your Amazon listing from Seller Central by adding a new product instead of joining someone else's listing. Use original photos you have the rights to, write your own title and description, and price strategically to cover product cost, shipping, Amazon fees, and your profit. Avoid copying AliExpress descriptions. Unique content helps conversions and reduces risk. Before you sell, place a test order to yourself. Check the packaging, delivery time, product quality, and any unwanted branding. This small investment protects your account and helps you catch issues early. When a customer orders on Amazon, you'll see it in Seller Central. Confirm the shipping address and any variations, then purchase the item on AliExpress using the customer's address. Add a note asking the supplier to ship without invoices or branding, and always choose tracked shipping. You are responsible for on-time delivery, so pick the most reliable method. As soon as tracking is available, paste it into Seller Central and mark the order as shipped. Late tracking hurts your metrics, so do this promptly. Finally, handle customer support and returns. Respond to messages within 24 hours, process refunds when needed, and accept returns even if your supplier doesn't. Keep communication professional. Amazon prioritizes the buyer experience, so your responsiveness and fairness are key to long-term success.